VPN gateway. What is the VPN gateway in Azure? VPN gateway is the Azure functionality, or it's a facility that provide a VPN gateway that is used to secure bridge that connect your on-prem network to your Azure network, right, over the internet, but in safe and encrypted way. This is the VPN gateway. As per the definition, a VPN gateway in Azure allow to secure communication between the on-prem network to Azure Virtual Network over the public internet using the IPsec IKE protocol. It is ensured essentially a secure bridge for the hybrid cloud setup. Your company has an on-prem data center and want to connect its Azure VNet. You deploy a VNet gateway in Azure and configure a site-to-site virtual network. Now you are on-prem server. You can securely access Azure VMs as if they were on the same network. So, a simple definition. Let's talk about the VPN gateway. So, VPN gateway is the service in Azure that securely connect your on-prem network to another Azure network to your virtual network over the internet using the encrypted tunnel. This is the VPN gateway, right? Now, for example, if your company office is in Delhi and your cloud network is in Azure East India region, right? And you don't want to expose your Azure VM publicly. So you can create a virtual private network, right? And like a private tunnel through the internet. Now your office computer can access the Azure VM as they are in a same local network, even though they are in the miles apart, right? So this is the tunnel to created and managed by the Azure VPN gateway, right? VPN gateway is mainly three types. One is the site-to-site virtual private network, right? That connect to on-prem network to Azure VNet. That is used to permanent office to cloud connection that need the VPN device on your on-prem site. For example, your company office connect to your Azure VNet through the VPN device. Both network act like one, right? Second one is the point to site. First one was the site to site VPN. Another is the point to site that connect the individual computer laptop to virtual Azure virtual network, right? Used to remote employee to develop working from home. That require only virtual VPN client app to your Azure laptop. For example, you are working from home and you connect to securely to Azure VMs using the VPN connect. Third one is the VNet to VNet that is connect to Azure VNets even in the different region. Useful when your application span multiple VNets. For example, web server in VNet need to communicate securely with database server in the VNet B. So, for all the data traveling through the VPN gateway is encrypted. Also, it's like the wrapping your data in secure envelope before sending over the public internet. So, main task of the virtual network is the security by which we can encrypt your data unless and until it will not reach a proper place. So first it secure it and the secure envelope before sending or going to the public internet. Private endpoint. A private endpoint is the network interface that connects you to privately and secure to an Azure service like Azure storage account, SQL database using the private IP from your VNet. Eliminate exposed to the public internet. provide secure and internal only access to Azure PaaS services. You have a Azure SQL database and want to only VMs in your VNet to access. Yes, that can access. That is the part of the VNet private endpoint, right? You create a private endpoint for the SQL database. Your web server connect to the database using the private IP and making the invisible for internet.